Hello students, welcome to my maths class once again. So in the last class I have done up to exercise 12a and I have completed exercise 12a of chapter number 12. Now I shall start from exercise 12b of chapter number 12. So see the first question. Construct the following triangles. Construct the what? So what? Construct the following triangles. So here you see, in triangle ABC, what? In triangle ABC, AB is given what? 7 centimeter, AC is given what? 6 centimeter, and BC is given what? 9 centimeter. Now what? Measure A, B and C. So what we need to what? We need to construct what? What? Triangles. So before that you see, so what is given? First you write. Then what? We shall, what we shall construct. So see, first one is given how much? That ABC what? Given AB equals to 7 centimeter, AC equals to 6 centimeter, BC equals to 9 centimeter. BC equals to what? 9 centimeter. Then what? That means what? I need to construct, okay? So that means what? AB given 7 centimeter. Let me draw a rough sketch before that. AB given what? AB given what? 7 centimeter. Okay? Now AC and BC. That means what? AC, that means what? C is something here, okay? C point is what? Somewhere else. So AC, that means what? By taking the what? Compass and taking what? 6 centimeter from what? By taking compass and taking what? 6 centimeter from the ruler. Taking what? 6 centimeter from the what? Ruler. From ruler what? I shall take what? From ruler 6 centimeter, and by taking 6 centimeter what? I shall what? Draw an arc here like this. One arc I'll be drawing. Again what? From BC, that means what? From B to C, I shall draw another arc. Then these two arcs will what? Intersect, and this point of intersection will be what? C. Angle C or the point C. Okay. So how to draw? First you see. What? So first you take your what? Line segment. Okay. So I take a line segment what? AB equals to what? PQ. So AB, you take AB as what? Base of the triangle 7 centimeter. Given what? AB 7 centimeter. So take from there AB what? 7 centimeter. So what? Take AB equals to what? 7 centimeter. Okay. So this is what AB. I have taken what? AB equals to what? 7 centimeter. Now what? Now pointing the compass needle at what? I need to find what? I need to find point C. So what? From this to AC and BC I shall find what? Point C. Now see how to find point C. So here you see, take what? 6 centimeter from your scale. That is what? From your ruler. So what? 6. What? How much? Sorry, this one 6 I have taken. This should be 7. This one what? 7 centimeter. I took what? It is 6 centimeter. So you take this one 7 centimeter. So from 0 to what? 7. From 0 to what? 7. So what? From 0 to 7 I have taken, okay, 7 centimeter. Okay. Now what? Now point your what? Compass needle at what? at A and take 6 centimeter AC, 6 centimeter from your what? From your ruler. Okay, like this. From ruler to take what? 6 centimeter. Okay. So somehow this is what 6 centimeter. Actually, this will not come exactly accurate. Okay, you do it at your home. You will find what the exact one. Just I am showing the steps. Okay. So place your compass needle here. Okay. So place your compass needle here. Okay. And what? And draw an arc. And draw an what? Arc. 6 centimeter taken. Now what? BC given 9 centimeter. So again you take what? From scale you take what? BC 9 centimeter. So BC what? 9 centimeter I have taken. Okay. So what? Just at B you put and what? Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Okay. So earlier it was actually 6. Let me draw the arcs again so that it can. Okay. So see the point of intersection. Now what? You join this point of intersection and this one you give what? This one as what? C. Okay. Understood? Now you join AC and BC. AC and BC with ruler from point of intersection to A. Okay. And from this one, okay, to this one. Okay. Okay. So this is the what? Required construction we have done. This is the what? Required construction we have done. Okay. So this is the triangle. Understood? Now what? Now you write the what? Now you write the steps of construction. Now what? Measure angle A, angle B and angle C. After that you measure angle A, angle B and angle C. How? With what? With your protractor. Take your protractor and place here. Okay. Place here. You will get what? Some angles. Then at B also place here. Then at C like this you place and measure. If the sum of the three angles, then after that you add. And if the sum of the three angles come 180 degree, then your construction is correct. If sum of the three angles doesn't come 180 degree, then your construction is what? Wrong. So you check this one at your home. Okay, because here I cannot draw exactly, so it will not come 180. Okay, but whenever you will be drawing like this steps, the steps whatever I have shown, then you will get what? Exact angles. And after that what? You measure angle A with your protractor and whatever you find you write here. Then angle B, then write, then angle C, then write, then add all. If you get 180, then correct then the construction is correct. If 180 not coming, then you draw again. By taking accurate measurement it will come. Okay. Now write what? Steps of construction. How we have drawn. So write. First you write, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment AB. So write steps of construction. So write number 1, steps of construction. Okay. So what you have done will write. So write what? Draw a line segment AB equals to 7 centimeter. Right? Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment AB equals to what? 7 centimeter. Draw a line segment AB equals to what? 7 centimeter. Okay. Now number 2. Now number 2 write. Okay. Now what? Open your compass. Open your compass and take a length of 6 centimeter from the ruler, from the what? Ruler. From the ruler with BS center, draw an arc. Okay, from the ruler, okay, from the ruler with with AS center. First you write with what? With AS center, draw an arc. You write this one, arc 1. Okay, draw an arc 1. Okay, now number 3 you write what? Again open your compass, and again open your compass, and take a length of, okay, and take a length. Open your compass and again open your compass and take a length of what? 9 centimeter with what? Okay, 9 centimeter from the ruler with B as center, draw another arc, it is arc 2, draw another arc 2, draw another arc 2, draw another arc what? Arc 2. Okay, draw another arc 2. Okay, then I am just erasing. Draw another arc 2 which will cut arc 1, which will cut what? Which will cut arc, which will cut arc 1 at point C, which will cut arc 1 at point C, okay. Now label what? C, which will cut arc 1 at point C. Now what? Now join A and C. Number 4, join AC and BC with a ruler. Now join AC and BC with a ruler. Then the triangle ABC is, then the triangle give the symbol, then triangle ABC is, then the triangle ABC is obtained. Now the triangle ABC is what? Triangle ABC is so obtained. Then the triangle ABC is obtained. Okay, this is what we have drawn. So these are the what steps of construction. Okay, so in exercise 12b, okay, you see 5 questions are there. So all are same, all are exactly same, only the measurement are changed. Only what the measurement are what changed. The measurement what the measurement were changed, and rest all are what same. That means what the process and the steps of construction, this will remain same. Okay, so from this what five questions are there. Okay, then 3 or 4 I shall solve. Okay, so come to question number 2. So in question number 2, what is given? PQ 5.5 centimeter, QR 6.5 centimeter, RP what 5 centimeter, RP what 5 centimeter. Okay, RP what 5 centimeter. So what, let us come to question number 2. So it was question number 1. Okay, now come to 2. So 2, let us first draw, let us what, a rough sketch of this one. PQ 5.5. so let me draw a rough PQ 5.5 centimeter. Okay, then what given? PQ and Q are RP. QR, that means R will be something here, and RP this one. Okay, we need to draw this triangle. Okay, so this one what, RP how much given, QR how much given? 6.5. okay, then RP given what, 5. RP given what, 5 centimeter. So with this we need to what, draw the what, triangles. So what, 5.5, 6.5 and 5. So see, first you what, take a what, a length of what, 5.5 centimeter. Okay, take a length of what, 5.5 centimeter with your ruler. 5.5 centimeter what, with your ruler. Okay, five, then 0.5. Okay, 5.5. So in between 5 and 6, in between 5 and 6 we will find what, one small vertical line. This small particles, this one not. In the middle of this you will find one small vertical line which is bigger than the what, this lines. For 5 lines are there. So what, okay, so this is what, 0.5. okay, 5.5. so what, I have taken this one 5.5. okay, 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter. Okay, now what, this one PQ. Now what, PR how much given? You see in question number 2 given, right? Given how much? Given what? PQ equals to how much? 5.5 centimeter. Then what? QR how much? 6.5 centimeter. Then RP how much? 5 centimeter. RP how much? 5 centimeter. Now from the what? Now from the ruler. Now from the ruler you take what? Now from the ruler you take what? We need what? Now we need to do what? RP. So RP how much? 5 centimeter. So from ruler you take what? 5 centimeter. Okay. So like this you take 5 centimeter. Okay. So suppose this one 5 centimeter I have taken. Okay. 5 centimeter. Okay, now what? Now what? Now draw an arc. Okay, now draw an arc. Now what? Now just draw an arc from P. Okay, now again what? And Q are how much? 6.5. So again you take what? Again you take what? 6.5. So what? 6.5. Okay, okay, somehow I have taken what from there? 6.5. Okay, 6.5 I have taken. Okay, now what? Now you cut this one from there. 6.5. Okay, 6.5. Now what? Now join this one. Now what? Now join these two. Now join these two. Okay, so you will get what? The figure may not match. Okay, some little bit changes will be there because I cannot take the accurate measurement from there. Okay, so you do it your copy, you'll get. Okay, so what? This one what? R we got. Now this side what? 5 centimeter. This side 6.5 centimeter. Okay, and this one what? 5.5 centimeter. So what? After drawing, one thing you do after drawing, by what? By ruler you check whether this one 5 came, whether this one 6.5 came. You check. Okay, then you will get answer. Okay, now what? Now write the steps of construction. So these all are same. Okay, as like earlier, you have to write what? Steps of construction. So write as like earlier, you write, all are same. So this is the figure. So you keep this one in one portion. Okay, now write steps of construction. Number 1, steps of construction. So number 1 what? Draw a line segment. Draw a line. Draw a line segment. PQ equals to 5.5 centimeter. PQ equals to what? 5.5 centimeter. Number 2. Okay. Number 2. Open your compass. Open your compass to a length of. Right, open your compass. Open your compass. Open your what? Open your compasses. So what? Open your compasses. Open your compasses and take a length of. Take a length of what? RP first you have taken. So I take a length of what? Take a length of 5 centimeter from ruler. 5 centimeter what? Length of 5 centimeter from ruler with center. With center as what? P. With center as P. With center as P, draw an arc. Draw an arc. You give what? Arc 1. With center as P, open your compasses and take a length of 5 centimeter from the ruler with center as P and with center as P. With center as P. With what? With P as center, draw an arc. Right, like this. With P as center, draw an arc. With P as center with P as center. Draw an arc, that is what? Arc 1. So repeat the same thing at what? At Q. So write. Again open your what? Open your compasses. Again open your what? Compasses, and take what? A length of you write here, of a length of what? Now 6.5 centimeter. Length of 6.5 centimeter from ruler. Take a length of 6.5 centimeter from ruler with now Q as center. With Q as what? With Q as center. Draw another arc. Arc 2, which cuts the arc 1 at point C. At point what? Sorry, at point R. Number 4. Now join what? RP and RQ. Join RP and RQ. With ruler. Okay. Thus we have what? And then the triangle. Okay, like this, right? And then the triangle is obtained, and ruler, and then the triangle what name? Triangle is given what? PQR. Triangle PQR is obtained. So these are the what? Steps of construction. Okay. Now which question? These all are same. Okay, these all are same. So question number 3 you do. Okay, so I am showing what? I am showing question number 4. Okay, so 3 exact same. Okay, 3, 4, 5 all are same. So from this 3 I am leaving. Okay, 4 I am showing. DEF, we need to show what? A DEF. D given 8 centimeter, DF given 7.2, and EF given what? 6.3. So write question number 4. So question number 4, what is there? So in question number 4 what? Given what? Given DE equals to how much? 8 centimeter. Okay, then DF given how much? 7.2 centimeter. Then EF given what? 6.3 centimeter. Now what? We need to draw this one. Okay, DEF. We need to do what? DEF. Okay, so what? Let us draw a rough sketch. Okay, so what? DEF. So take DE as base. So if I take DE, this one, DE, okay, 8 centimeter. Okay, then what? DE, then so EF, DE, then DF, DE, DF. Here will be F. Okay, so DF will be what? 7.2 centimeter, and what? EF will be 6.3 centimeter. So as like earlier, all are same. As I said, so like this, as like earlier, what? You take what? 7 centimeter with your ruler, from the ruler, sorry, 8 centimeter, then draw. You take what? 8 centimeter from the ruler, 8 centimeter from the ruler. Okay, so what? I took what? 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter DE. Okay, this is as base I have taken. Now DF 7.2. So DF what? 7.2. So from your what? From your ruler, you by what? By compass you measure what? 7.2. Okay, somehow this is what? 7.2 I measured. Okay, this will not come what exact, but the process are same. Okay, now what? Somehow 7.2 I have taken. Okay, now what? Now from D you mark 7.2. Okay, now this one 6.3. So again take what? 6.3 from your ruler, 6.3 from the ruler. Okay, okay, suppose somehow 6.3 taken. Okay, from DF 6.3 cut like this. Okay, now what? You join. So as like earlier. Okay, okay, now join with your what? Now join with your ruler. These figures will not come exactly. Okay, again and again I am saying. Okay, your one will come accurately. Okay, my one will not come accurate. Okay, but the process are same. Okay, so this one what? DF 7.2 centimeter. This one F intersection what you got? This is what? F, and what? EF what? 6.3 centimeter. Okay, now what? Now write the steps of what? Steps of construction. So what? This is same, just you erase here some. Okay, here given draw a line segment PQ 5.5. Here you just interchange. It will be what? Draw a line segment. It will be what? Draw a line segment DE equals to what? 8 centimeter. Okay, just I am erasing the word. Then all are same. And what? And take a length of what? Draw a line segment 8 centimeter. Open your compass and take a length of what? DF. First you have drawn. Take a length of 7.2 centimeter from the ruler with what? With the DS center. With a DS center, draw an arc 1. Okay. Now again open your compass and take a length of 6.5. It is 6.3. Till what? 6.3 centimeter from the ruler with QS center here, what? With ES center. With what? With ES center. And draw another arc. Draw another arc 2, which cuts arc 1 at point what? At point F. DEF. At point what? At point F. Now join what? Now join what? DF and EF. DF and EF. Now join what? DF and EF. DF and what? EF. Now join what? Now join what? DF and EF. Okay, with your ruler, and then the triangle what? DEF. Then the triangle DEF is obtained. DEF is what? Obtained. DEF is what? Obtained. So very easy. Okay. And the triangle what? DEF is what? Obtained. Okay. So now come to question number 5. Okay. So only one I kept for you. Okay. So question number 5, you see LMN is LMN, in which LN equals to 7 centimeter, NM equals to 5.5 centimeter, and LM equals to what? 6.4 centimeter. LMN. So what? Let me draw first. How much given? Let me draw a rough sketch. Okay. So what? LMN. So LN. So LN 7 centimeter. So let me take this one LN. LN. So LMN. So LMN. So M will be somewhere else. Okay, here. So what? LN 7. Then what? NM. NM. This one. NM will be what? How much given? NM 5.5. 5.5. Okay. Then what? LM. LM. This one how much? 6.4. Okay. So by looking this one, I shall draw. Okay. This is the rough sketch. Okay. Now let us draw with the what? Ruler and the compass. And LN how much given? LN 7 centimeter. 5.5, 6.4, 5.5 and 7 centimeter. 7 centimeters. Okay. Now you you erase this one. Okay. Then take LN 7 centimeter. LN what? LN was. So before that, what you write one question. You change the questions. Okay. Here we are going to solve question number 5. So question number 5, you see. Question number 5. Okay. We need to write okay, what? LN 7 centimeter. LN equals to 7 centimeter. LN equals to 7 centimeter. Then NM equals to what? 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. Okay. Then what? LM equals to 6.4 centimeter. LM equals to 6.4 centimeter. Okay. Now let us come to solve. Okay. So what? ln 7 centimeter. So ln 7 centimeter. Okay, so 7 centimeter I have drawn. Okay, now write this one ln 7 centimeter. Now what? Now what? Now nm, m will be somewhere else, nm. So nm it will be 5.5. So take nm 5.5. That means what? From the ruler you take what? 5.5. Okay. So what? From the ruler what? I took what? 5.5 like this. Okay. Somehow you take what? The accurate one. Now what? Now you what? Draw an arc from n. Draw an arc. Now what? lm 6 lm. So this will cut and we will find what? Point m. So lm 6.4. So what? Again what? You take 6.4 from your ruler. 6.4. Okay. You see, somehow 6.4 taken, okay, not accurately, because with this I cannot take accurate. Okay, 6.4. So from this, put your compass needle at L. Okay, and draw 6. Okay, somehow drawn. My point of intersection and your point of intersection will not match. Your one will be correct, my one will not be correct. Okay, the process will be correct. Okay, but the figure may not match exactly because I cannot draw with this 100%. Okay, now what? Join this one, these two. 5.5 and what? This one 6.4. Okay, 6.4. So this point of intersection is what? M. So LM and triangle formed. Okay, this one 5.5 centimeter, this one 6.4 centimeter, and point of intersection is what? M. Now again write steps of construction. So this will be same, just you change. Okay, here I am changing, but you write fully. Here I am changing. Okay, not to repeat the same thing I need to repeat, for that reason I am changing, but you write what? Every steps of construction for every question. Understood? Don't miss like this. Okay, you have to write what? Draw a line segment DE equals to naught. Here what? ln equals to 7 centimeter. ln equals to what? 7 centimeter. Open your compass and take a length of 5.5. 5.5 centimeter from the ruler with what? With n as center. With n as center, draw an arc 1. Again open your compass and take a length of how much? 6.4 centimeter from the ruler with what? With L as center. With what? With L as, okay, with L as center, and draw another arc 2 which cuts the arc 1 at point what? At point M. At point what? M. At point M. Okay, now join what? Now join NM and LM. Now join what? NM and LM. NM and what? LM. LM with ruler and with ruler, and then the triangle what? Then the triangle LMN. Then the triangle LMN. LMN is obtained. Okay. So from this exercise sufficient I have done. Okay. From 4 I have done. Okay. Now next move to the next exercise. That is what? Next what exercise it is given? 12C. Okay. So in 12C what is there? Let us see. Construct the following triangles. Construct the following triangles and measure the third side. What? Construct the following triangles and what? Measure the third side. Okay. So triangle ABC, in which AB equals to 6 centimeter, AC equals to 8 centimeter, and BAC equals to what? Angle BAC equals to what? 50 degree. Earlier what? All sides are given. Now what? Here 2 sides and 1 angle given. 2 sides, 1 angle given. Earlier we have drawn with the help of sides SSS. Now what? 2 sides and what? 2 sides and 1 angle given. 2 sides and 1 angle given. So what? We need to draw with that one. So how? You see the steps of construction. So triangle ABC, in which AB equals to 6 centimeter. So see how to draw. AB equals to what? 6 centimeter. So what? First you draw like this, what that? First you what? Draw AB equals to what? 6 centimeter. So from scale you draw what? AB equals to what? 6 centimeter. So exercise 12C. 12C. 12C, okay? Question number 1. 12C, question number 1. Given what? AB 6 centimeter, AC 8 centimeter. AB equals to 6 centimeter, AC equals to 8 centimeter, and what? Angle BAC, that means what? Angle A. Angle BAC equals to what? BAC equals to what? 50 degree. That is what? Measure of angle A is what? 50 degree. Okay. So see, first you take what? AB equals to what? 6 centimeter. AB 6 centimeter as a base. AB 6 centimeter as a what? Base. AB 6 centimeter. Okay. So this one write AB 6 centimeter. Suppose this is the rough sketch. AB 6 centimeter. Now what? AC. That means what? The point will be what? Somewhere else. Okay. Next step you do what? In angle A BAC, that was 50 degree. That means what? BAC means what? Angle A equals to what? 50 degree. BAC means what? Here angle A. The measure of angle A is given because in the middle the letter whatever there, this is the what? Main angle. So angle BAC, that means what? Angle A measure given what? 50 degree. That means what? Now what? Now take your compass. Take your protractor and measure what? Angle A equals what? How much? 50 degree. Okay, 50 is maybe somewhere else. Okay, this one what? 50 degree. Now what? You join this 50 degree. You join this what? You draw this 50 degree with your protractor. This one you know. Now what? Next step what we'll do? Next step what? Next step what? You take AC. AC. This one. Where you have drawn 50 degree. Here you what? With your compass From your compass, you take what? 8 centimeter. From your compass, what? You take what? 8 centimeter like this, and placing at A, you cut this. Then you will find what? Point of intersection here. And this point of intersection will be C, and then you join what? Then you what? Then you measure this BC. How much coming? Okay, with your what? Ruler. Okay. So see. So what you have done? We have drawn what? AB equals to 6 centimeter. Now what? Now take your what? Protector. Placing at A, measure what? 50 degree. So if you count from right to left, then this way. So 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 50 coming here. Okay. 50 is coming here. Now what? Now this one what? This one you give a bit long. Okay. This one you give a bit what? Long. Okay. A bit long you give. Okay. This one a bit long you give, because we need to intersect this. Okay. Now what? Now from your ruler. Now what? Now from your ruler what? Okay. So what? Now what? Now take what? Now take 8 centimeter, because AC 8 centimeter. So what? You take AC 8 centimeter. Suppose, okay, I have taken AC 8 centimeter. Okay, from ruler you take like this, and placing at A, you just intersect this. Just what? Intersect. This point of intersection will be what? C. This point of intersection will be what? C. This point of intersection will be what? C. Okay. Now join this one. This point of intersection will be what? C. Okay. A, B, C. Now join this point of intersection and this one. Okay. Okay. Now with your ruler to measure this one, suppose here I got what? This will be changed. Okay. In your case, here I got this one how much? 6.2 or 3 like this. This one I got what? 6.2 or 3 like this it is coming. Okay. So whatever in your copy it will come, it is exact. Okay. My one not exact. Okay. 6.2 or 3 like this it will come. Measure the third side. So this one 6 centimeter given. This one AC 8 centimeter we have drawn. And this one after joining you measure this one. So in my scale it is coming 6.2 centimeter. So in your scale it may come different. Okay. Because my what? My drawings are not exact for that reason. Okay. So you measure this one and write. Okay. Now write what? Steps of construction. Now write what? Steps of construction. So write steps of construction. So first you write what? Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment what? AB equals to 6 centimeter. This one exact. Draw a line segment. AB equals to what? 6 centimeter. Okay. Now rest will remain change. Okay. Now what? Now what? Now you write using your protector. Using your protector, draw an angle of 55 degree. Draw an angle of 50 degree. Number 2. Using your protector, draw an angle draw an angle of 50 degree. Draw an angle of what? 50 degree at also this one what? Here 50 degree. Okay. Draw an angle of 50 degree at what? At A. Okay. Make the arm of the angle quite long. As I said that make the arm of the angle, that means this line segment quite long. Sorry, this one you need to write. Make the arm of the angle quite long. Make the what? Arm of the angle what? Quite long. Okay. Now what? Now step 3. Use your compass to measure. Number 3. Use your whatever you have done, just you are writing in a good English. Okay. Use your compass. Use your compasses to measure the length of. Use your compasses to measure the length of AC equals to what? AC, that is what? Use your compasses to measure the length of. Use your compasses to measure the length of what? AC. To measure the length of what? AC. That is AC. That is what? To measure the length of what? AC. That is what? That is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter from the ruler. Okay. That is what you take 8 centimeter from your ruler and intersect it. 8 centimeter from your ruler and with the point of 8 centimeter from the ruler what? Use your compasses to measure the length of AC, that is 8 centimeter from the ruler, and with the point of your compasses at A, with the ruler and with the these are the English, these things whatever I am writing. Okay, these things what you can write from your own. Okay, in your own language. These things don't need to memorize and to write exactly. You just how you have grown, you write these things. Okay, this is not mandatory to learn and to write the exact words and the exact lines, these sentences. This is not, you can write from your own language. Okay, and with what? And with the point of your compasses at A, draw an arc arc 1, draw an arc 1 to cut the arm of the angle, to cut the arc 1, that means what? To cut the arm of the angle, to cut the arm of the to cut the what? Arm of the angle, and this is the point C, to cut the arm of the angle at point C. Or you write to cut the arm of the angle. Okay, to cut the arm of the angle, full stop. Okay, this is point C. Okay, now join what? AC and BC. Now join what? Sorry, now join what? BC only. Okay, now join B and C. Now join B and C. Full stop. Now join B and C. B. Now joined what? B and C. Now join what? B and C. Then the triangle ABC is obtained. Full stop. Comma. Then the triangle ABC is obtained. Is what? Obtained. So this is the what? This is what? Steps of construction. So these things you can write from your own also. So come to question number 2. So what? PQ equals to 5.5, QR equals to what? QR equals to what? 6.5, and what? Q equals to 40 degree. So question number 2 I am solving. Okay. So in triangle PQR, so first to write question number 2 what is given. So question number 2 given what? Given that what? PQ equals to 5.5. PQ equals to 5.5 centimeter. Then QR equals to 6.5. QR equals to 6.5 centimeter. Then angle Q equals to 40 degree. Angle Q equals to what? 40 degree. So what? So first what? You take what? PR equals to what? 5.5 centimeter. PR equals to what? 5.5 centimeter. Okay. It will be like this. Let me draw a rough sketch. Okay. If I draw a rough sketch, then it will be like this. You see, suppose this is PR. Okay. Sorry, PQ. PQ 5.5. Okay. Now what? QR 6.5. So before, after drawing this base of the triangle, we will go for what? Drawing the angles. So angle Q, that means what? From Q, I need to draw what? 40 degree. Okay. Or you take this one QR. You take this one QR. QR. Okay. So take this one QR. QR equals to what? 6.5. Okay. Now what? Now at Q I shall what? At Q I shall draw 40 degree. The 40 degree will be something like this. Okay. And here I will get what? P. So PQ equals to 5.5. So by taking ruler I shall cut 5.5. Okay. Then I shall join this. Then I shall get. Okay. So this side you measure. Okay. As I said earlier, this side you what? Measure and write. Okay. This side you what? Measure and write. So this is the what? Rough sketch. So for that, let us draw what? QR first. QR equals to what? 6.5, because we need to draw Q as what? Angle. So write QR equals to what? 6.5. So what? QR equals to 6.5. QR QR equals to what? QR equals to what? 6.5. QR equals to 6.5 centimeter. QR equals to what? 6.5 centimeter. Now what? Now what? Now I shall draw angle Q. So take your protractor and what? Measure 40 degree. So take your protractor and measure 40 degree. So take your protractor and measure what? 40 degree. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. It is 40 somewhere else like this, 40 degree. Okay. Now make the what? Arm of this Q angle as long. Make the arm of Q angle as long. As what? Long. As long. Okay. 1 point we got. Now what? Now what? Here something P will be somewhere else. Okay. So what? PQ, that is what? PQ, how much given? 5.5. So from your scale you take what? 5.5. So what? From your scale you take what? 5.5. Okay. 0 to 5.5 I have taken. Okay. Somehow I have taken. These are not accurate. You be sure that my diagrams will not be accurate because I am drawing with this instrument. So this will not come accurate. But whatever you will be drawing in your copy, that will come accurate. My diagrams will not come accurate. There will be little bit change in measurement. Okay, because I cannot draw with this one accurately. But what? You draw at your home, you will get. So I have taken what? 5.5 I have taken. 5.5 I have taken. Now what? You just place at Q and draw this one. 5.5. So 5.5 what I have drawn. 5.5 I have drawn. Now what? Now join this. Now join this. From point of intersection, this one you join. Okay. So this one will be what? P. So PQR triangle formed. PQR triangle formed. Okay. Now what? Now you write the what? Steps of construction. Now steps of construction you write what? Here draw a line segment AP equals to 6 centimeter. It will be changed. Draw a line segment what? QR equals to 6.5 centimeter. QR equals to 6.5 centimeter. QR equals to what? 6.5 centimeter. So if I draw PQ, so if I draw here 5.5 centimeter, then what? Q will go here. Then I need to take angle from this side. Angle from what? This side I need to take. From left to right. For that reason what? I have shown from right to left. For that reason I took our Q point here. Okay. Now what? 6.5 centimeter. Now what? Draw an angle of what? Draw an angle of what? 40 degree. So this one what? 40 degree. Okay. So draw an angle of 40 degree. Draw an angle of what? Draw an angle of 40 degree at Q. At Q. Make sure that your arm of the angle is quite long. Use your compass to measure the length of what? To measure the length of PQ. To measure the length of what? PQ. PQ, that is 5.5 centimeter. That is 5.5 centimeter from the ruler with the point of your compasses at Q. At Q. Compasses what? At Q. At Q. Q, draw an arc to cut the arm of the angle. Draw an arc to cut the arm of the angle. Draw an arc 1 to cut the arm of the angle. This is the point C. This is the what? This is the point C. That means what? The point of intersection is the point C. The point of intersection is the what? Point C. Now join what? Now join P and what? R. Now join what? Now join P and R. Then the triangle PQR is formed. Then the triangle PQR is what? Obtained. PQR is what? Obtained. So question number 3 also solved. 2 also solved. Now question number, which one I need to solve? X, Y, Z. So 3 and 4 both are same. Okay, so from 3, so what, from 3 I shall from 3 and 4 what I shall solve, what from 3 and 4 I shall solve what, question number 3, then I shall come to question number 4 directly. Okay, then what to say, I am showing question number 3. So xyz equals to what, xyz, angle xyz, y equals to what, 70 degree. So what, right, question number 3 what is given. So question number 3 given what, xyz equals to 40 degree, angle xyz equals to what, 40 degree, sorry 70 degree, xyz equals to what, 70 degree. Okay, now what, now xy equals to 7.2, xy equals to 7.2 meter or centimeter, it is what, centimeter. Now what, xy given, now yz equals to 8.2, yz equals to what, 8.2 centimeter. Okay, so see steps of construction. So this is as like earlier. Okay, let me draw the rough sketch. Okay, xyz. So what, rough sketch will be what, xyz, xyz at angle y I need to what, show what, 70 degree. So what, first I shall take yz, yz equals to what, 8.2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and at y I shall draw 70 degree, because what, you see xyz, you see what, xyz equals to 70 degree, that means what, angle y equals to 70 degree. So what, at y I shall draw what, 70 degree, using protractor, using this protractor what, I shall draw what, 70 degree at y. Okay, now what, now what, x and y how much, now what, so x and y how much given, xy 7.2, so by from what, from ruler I shall take 7.2, then I shall cut here, I shall cut, it will cut somewhere else, then I shall join this one. So this one is like earlier, all are same. Okay, so see, so this will be what, this will be what, x. Okay, and xz you need to measure. Now what, now come to, so first we shall take what, yz, yz equals to what, 8.2 centimeter, yz equals to what, 8.2 centimeter. So draw yz equals to what, 8.2 centimeter. (8.2 centimeter I have taken. So this is what, yz 8.2 centimeter, 8.2 centimeter yz. Now what, now what, at y I need to draw what, 70 degree. So take your protractor, so take your protractor and measure angle 70 degree, measure angle what, 70 degree. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 70 it is here. Okay, now what, make the arm of the angle it is long. Okay, make the arm of angle what, long. Okay, now what, from your ruler you need to take what, xy 7.2. So xy all are same. Okay, xy 7.2, xy 7.2 you take from ruler as I shown earlier, xy 7.2. So somehow 7.2 taken. Okay, so xy 7.2 taken, so place here and cut. It is cutting here. Okay, So 7.2. Okay, now what? Now join this. Now you join this one, you'll get the answer. So these all are same. Okay, now join this. Okay, so this one what? Actually this point is here something. Okay, so what? You see this point of intersection and this point may not match. Okay, the point may come here and this intersection may go up and down. This may not match. Okay, this may match or may not match. So y, so this one what? X we got. For x, y how much? 7.2 we have drawn. Now what? Y, z we have drawn. This one you measure with your scale. Okay, suppose with my scale this is not accurate, be careful. 0, it is coming 8.5 something, it is coming. Okay, so with your scale it will come different. Okay, don't write what my one. So what? 8.2 and we have drawn. Okay, now what? Now angle y equals to what? 70 degree we have drawn. Okay, angle y equals to what? 70 degree what we have drawn. Okay, now what? Now just to change here, in place of what? Qr, it will be what? Yz. So what? Yz equals to 8.2. Yz all are big. Okay, Yz equals to what? 8.2 centimeter. 8.2 centimeter. Okay, now what? Using your compass, draw an angle of what? 70 degree. 70 degree. Okay, at Q, at what? At y. I need to draw at what? At y. Okay, at y. Make sure that the angle is long. Use your compass to make a length of what? Length of how much? Use your compass as to take the length of what? To take the length of xy. To take the length of what? Xy. Xy how much? You take, you write in capital letter. Xy how much? Xy 7.2. 7.2 centimeter. 7.2 centimeter from the ruler, and with the point of your compasses at what? At y. At y, draw an arc one to cut what? To cut the arm of the angle. Okay, to cut the arm of the angle. This is the point. This is the point what? X. This is the what? Point X. That means what? Where the point of intersection? It was what? X. Okay, this is the point X. Now what? Now join what? Join what? X, Z. Join what? X and Z. Join what? X and Z. X and what? Z. Then the triangle XYZ is obtained. X, Y, Z. XYZ is what? Obtained. So question number from 3, 4 I have done 3, and 5 is exact like question number 2. And 5 is what? And what? 5 is exact like question number 2. Okay. LMN. Okay. Let me show. N equals to what given? Question number 3 I have done. 4 you do. Okay. And 5 is exactly like question number 2. Okay. Let me show question number 5. Again I am showing. Okay. 4 I am doing. So what? Among 4 questions I am doing. So what? N equals to 73 degree. N equals to what? 73 degree. 73 degree. Ln equals to 5 point. This is what? This is angle N. Angle N. And LM equals to what? Ln equals to what? 5.7. Ln equals to what? 5.7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Okay, and what mn equals to 6.8, mn equals to what 6.8 centimeter. So now you see at which I need to draw angle. Okay, what n equals to what 73 degree ln. So what, so if I write lmn, so I'll get what? Okay, so you see like this it will be. Okay, so what lm, so let me take mn because I need to do 73 degree what at mn. So it will be like this. I shall take what 70, this is like what mn, and it is what 68.6.8. okay, then what, from in n I need to draw what 73 degree. So now I shall draw in this way, because so if you take this left side as an angle, if you want to draw left side angle, then you take what, then you measure from right to left. From protractor you take what, from protractor you measure from what, right to left, and if you take this one, then you measure from this side, left to right. Okay, left to right. Okay, then here here. Okay, 73 degree. Okay, now what, now this is what mn, this is what lmn. Okay, so ln how much given, ln 5.7. so what, by taking the help of ruler you what, you just with the help of ruler you take what, ln equals to what 5.7 centimeter with the compass and cut it here. Then what, join you'll get. Okay, so this is what 5.7 centimeter, and this you what, measure with your what, ruler, you'll get answer. Okay, so see the last question what is there. So first what, you take mn 6.8. so quickly draw mn 6.8, mn 6.8. okay, mn what 6.8, 6.8. okay, mn what 6.8 centimeter. So this is what mn 6.8 centimeter. So in n I need to draw what 73 degree. So what, first come to 70. So what, first come to 70, 10 20 30 40 50 60 70. Now come more 3 vertical lines. Okay, 1 2 3, it is coming here like this 73 degree. Okay, now join this one with your what, as like earlier, join this one and make the arm of the angle a bit long. Okay, a bit what, long. Okay, now what, now taking what, now take what, this from there, from here you will get what, l. So ln how much given, ln how much given, ln 5.7. so from your what, with the help of what, ruler, so what, with the help of your ruler you take what, with the help of ruler you take what 5.7, 5.7. okay, somehow taken 5.7. okay, so what, somehow taken what 5.7. okay, somehow taken what 5.7. now just intersect it. Okay, So what? Now you joined as like earlier, but you joined this one, you'll get the answer. And now you joined with your what? Ruler. You joined this one what? With your ruler. Okay, you join this one with your what? Ruler. The earlier pointers. Okay, join this one what? With your ruler. So this is what? L. So ln how much? 5.7 centimeter. Okay, and 6.8 is given, and this one you measure. Okay, let me see what is coming in my scale. It is coming like this, 7.5 like this coming. Okay, it may be wrong. Okay, but you measure with your ruler, you'll get the exact one. My drawings are not accurate, but the process are same. Okay, you draw like this, you'll get what? My measurement will not come same. Okay, so what? Now what? Now you just what? You change this one. So what given? So this is what question number 5. So what? First we have taken mn equals to 6.8. So what? Draw a line segment. Mn equals to what? Mn equals to what? 6.8. 6.8 centimeter. Okay. Then what? Using your protractor, draw an angle of what? Using your protractor, draw an angle of 73 degree. So this is what? 73 degree. This is. So now 73 degree. 73 degree. So 73 degree. Okay. At what? At n. At n. And make sure the angle is quite long. Okay, use your compass to make the measure the length of what? To measure the length of what? ln. Ln equals to how much? 5.7. 5.7 centimeter from the ruler with the point of your compasses at y, at n, at n. Okay, draw an arc at n. Okay, now what? At n, draw an arc to cut arm of the angle. Draw an arc to at n, draw an arc to cut the arm of the angle. This is the point what? This is the point L. Okay, now join what? Now join what? LM. Now join what? L and M. L and what? LM and you joined. Okay, then the triangle what? LMN. LMN. Okay, LMN is what? Form. Okay, so this is the what? The process and the steps of construction. Okay, 2 questions I left. Okay, 1 question from exercise 12C for practicing and 1 question from exercise 12B for practicing, and rest all I have done. Okay, so you practice at your home, and if you find any problem regarding today's class, then you can call me at night. Okay, thank you very much.